It's actually cool out here.
Feels great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Finally.
Yeah. And not too cold. Just pleasant this morning. It's pleasant. Pleasantly chillier.
Yeah, if I was out here in shorts and short sleeves for an hour, so I'd probably be a little cool. But, you know, just sitting here, but it actually just feels refreshing.
And look, the driveway's not even like covered overnight again. It's just, there's some leaves down, but it's not super bad. So that's good. Hey, troublemaker, I'm talking to you, even though I love you. He was fighting Panther at 7:30 this morning. I woke up to have to go split up cats again. Thankfully nobody was hurt, but let's please not do that tomorrow. That's makes 5 days in a row. I guess the change in weather, changing routines or something. I don't know. No mail.
No mail. Sorry.
So that's what the third floor and roof looks like. It's actually built in two pieces because the roof kind of lifts on and off. And I've sorted out all of the longish bricks that I have here. I may not have the color I'm supposed to have, but I'm sure I've got the sizes at least. I don't know. I need several 16 long, and I think these are the 4 that I have. And I wish they were all gray. All right, I have the third floor built. It's black this time instead of dark gray or light gray. That was just the colors I had. I was able to be consistent just for my own, you know, sanity, and that it's black and it's light gray. It's not a whole hodgepodge of colors, and looks like things are fitting good, so I can continue on with the build now. It took me much more time than it should have to figure out the fireplace because I didn't like the one that was in the plans, and I sort of built my own, and I couldn't find those little beakish flame parts there. They were right in front of my eyes. Anyway, I started building the walls and the front special pieces, but I didn't get too far. What is it, buddy? What is it? That's midnight. Hi. So we're headed to get Don's book at the library, return something at Home Depot, and drop off a package and Amazon return at UPS. I'm tagging along. Looking forward to getting out with Don and Jules for a few minutes. It's another gorgeous fall day. I'm noticing to the right of the frame that there's a piece of art that's been installed, geometric art that I hadn't seen before. So you can't just go in and browse, but you can go online in the catalog and place a hold and go in and check out your book at a certain time. You can't just go in anytime. I guess they're really working to make sure people aren't bunched. This new version of the library certainly has methods for self-checkout that wouldn't really require you to have contact with someone. So looks like he can't go in. Looks like somebody's got to let him in.
Here they have the books in paper bags, organized by time and date and your last name. They have names on them, and it just says items aren't ordered by your last name and already checked out to you. It's pretty cool. I guess I could have came pretty much any time.
Wasn't expecting it, so I didn't film it, but the Fuquay Police Department is having a drive-through candy giveaway for the kids today. So there's a table out there, and the doggy detective guy and a couple of police officers, and there's a big traffic jam over there on Old Honeycutt Road as parents drive their kids through in costume to get their candy. Now it's 2 p.m. so if you're asking me, it's a little early for kids in school. I thought it usually didn't start until 3 or 4, but at any point they're trying to do something safer, safe-ish, maybe safe for the kids. There was a Model 3 in front of Dawn. I went into Walmart, looked at Legos, got headache medicine. It's still gusty out today, 69 though, and super pleasant, nice fall afternoon. Dawn went in to return a couple of items that we didn't end up using while JB was here, and I decided to wait in the car. It's pretty busy out there on a Friday afternoon in town, lots of people out and about. They're getting all ready for Christmas. They've got all the little junipers and rosemary and other stuff out with their pretty little red bows and everything. So Don got everything returned okay. Mostly they put it back on his Home Depot credit card. Yeah. He did get store credit on a gift card, you know, a thing for a couple of cans of paint, but it's all good. It's all good. He got back. Home Depot does make returns pretty easy. Yeah. So I would say if you're doing a project, don't needlessly buy extra, but if you do buy one more or something and you want to take it back, they've never given us a hard time about it.
I always it's like, oh, am I going to need 3 of these or 4? I buy 4.
And I'm sure you're not the only one.
And because it's just, isn't worth the extra trip. Oh crap, I wish I would have bought 4 if you bought 3. It's just so much easier just to take the one back the next time, because they give you like 6 months. And the key thing I found with Home Depot is use the same card all the time. Now I happen to have a Home Depot credit card, but it doesn't really matter. Don't put it on this card this week, that card next week, pay cash, do an ATM. No. Just decide if I'm going to buy something at Home Depot, since I might return it, I'm going to always use this pretty green card or yellow card or whatever. Something that helps you remember which card to use. In my case, it's orange because it's the Home Depot card. But if you do that, it always makes returning easy, because they just swipe the card and they start shooting, and the machine beeps every time it finds something off on that card with that tag to that card, and if it doesn't find something,
I don't know if Stripe is up here right now or not, and it's a boy cat that I had neutered over a year ago. He's gotten less shy, but he's definitely feral. Anyway, if I see him, I leave food for him. I've sort of stopped putting food down if I don't see him though, because the ravens, the blackbirds come and get it, and I'd rather make sure it's going to him. I see a Slatey girl. I see a Slatey girl over there. Did you survive?
Yeah, I did good.
Pretty day out there. Did you see a bunch of people out at the park?
Quite a few.
Yeah, I'm sure social distancing, but...
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. I got deviled eggs made.
Oh, that's the right answer, because I'm hungry.
And I'm making good progress on my green-red grocer. For me? For me? For me? Legos? Legos? Yay! More Legos? More Legos?
That's no fair.
Yay!
I got the one.
The bill?
Lewis Tomb resident. That's not fair.
I finally have the little gray squares to fill in down here. Yay! Well, I'll have to lift the dog, but you get the gist. Finally. They're not that easy to come by. Well, I've been working for a while this evening. It's kind of addictive once you get started. I really don't like to stop. As you can see, I've got most of the 3rd floor done. What's left is the roof, and there's like a patio thing that hangs off the back over here. That's why this walkway kind of leads out to the patio area. I don't know if I'll work on it tomorrow or not if we go for, you know, a drive to look at leaves, which I want to do. Maybe I'll be back on it Sunday. But it's pretty cool. I'm really liking how it looks. Dawn said, yeah, it's to scale to the big haunted mansion in the kitchen. And I said, yep, that was the idea. I do have this one window here that's the wrong color. I've got to replace that. That black over there looks bad, but I stuck over there what I have for now. And missing a couple of topper pieces here too, but nothing major.